This sequence explains the method for using Groundforce's revolutionary sheet handling and installation tool, developed to undertake the 3 dig and push operations of pitching, driving and extraction. Groundforce's SheetMaster tool utilizes the excavator universal quick hitch system for lifting the unit in and out of the stand, as well as for sheet handling and sheet installation. Alternative head units are available to suit the sheet being used on site. Ensure that the SheetMaster is firmly clamped to the stand by checking that the steel restraining strap is secured and the nuts are fully tightened. Reaching over the cradle, attach the quick hitch clamp to the SheetMaster head unit. With the unit still on the ground, undo and release the retaining strap clamp. The SheetMaster can now be lifted clear of the stand and will pivot into a vertical position when suspended. With the SheetMaster elevated, manually rotate the leg guides so that the rear of the SheetMaster is facing the operator with the quick release cam mechanism facing away from the operator. To attach the lifter to the SheetMaster, manually full cock the quick release cam and insert the cable suspending the lifter. Once the loop of the cable is in position, release the cam so that the pin snaps into place with an audible click. Rotate the arm on the lifter and insert the unit between the sheets. Lift the topmost trench sheet by approximately 150 mm and insert a timber block or similar approximately 1 meter in from the end of the trench sheet. Lower the tip of the SheetMaster on top of the sheet trough. Drag the tip along the sheet towards the pitching hole whilst lowering the SheetMaster into a horizontal position. Manually full cock the quick release cam and continue to slide the SheetMaster along the trough of the sheet. When the sheet lies under the pin, manually half cock the quick release cam so that the pin rides along the top of the sheet. Continue to maneuver the SheetMaster until the quick release pin snaps into the pitching hole with an audible click. Lift and position the trench sheet over the designated installation area, orientating the sheet into the required position. Using the force of the excavator, push the trench sheet into the ground until adequate penetration is achieved. A long reach tool can be found in the toolbox of the cradle and quickly and easily assembled by screwing each length together. When sufficient length is achieved, pull down on the release handle using the tool to retract or fully cock the quick release pin. Repeat this process for any subsequent sheets. Extraction is generally the reverse of installation. Position the SheetMaster and engage the spring-loaded pin, ensuring the pin is fully engaged. Extract the sheet from the ground using a progressive pull, together with lateral motion if required. Following extraction, each trench sheet must be returned to the trench sheet pack using the SheetMaster, and this is the reverse of the lifting process. Fully cock the quick release pin and carefully slide the SheetMaster away from the trench sheet. Finally, use the sheet lifter to hold the trench sheet while removing the timber wedge. Then carefully lower the trench sheet onto the sheet stack. The SheetMaster can now be returned to the cradle, cleaned and stacked, ready for reuse or for collection. The retaining strap must be secured and any tools provided returned to the toolbox. This video is to be viewed in conjunction with the detailed written user guide, which is available to download from our technical library found on our website.